In this clip, you'll hear from Dr. Sam Brandsen, the lead author on this paper that was just published in the journal Autism Research, on his team's study of artificial intelligence and a possible bias against words related to autism and neurodiversity.
Artificial intelligence is involved in more and more decision-making processes, and examples of this would be scanning resumes or making certain types of medical decisions or predictions. And this means that any potential biases in an artificial intelligence algorithm can have important real-world consequences. The goal of our article is to look at whether artificial intelligence has a bias against words like autism, autistic, or other words related to neurodivergence. Essentially, we focused on algorithms that learn ways to store words. So these algorithms look at large amounts of human-generated text, potentially billions and billions of words. And from this text, they learn what words are associated with each other and what words are correlated. And what we find in our results is that words related to neurodivergence are often correlated with negative concepts like dangerous, badness, and disease in many of these encoding algorithms. And when we look at how sentences are perceived, so what the perceived goodness of a sentence is, we find that sentences like I have autism are often perceived even more negatively than sentences like I am a bank robber, indicating potentially high levels of bias against terms and sentences associated with neurodivergence. Fortunately, there are already several special techniques in place for removing biases from AI algorithms, and some of these techniques have already successfully mitigated other types of bias in word encoders. So we hope that our research paper provides one step towards the debiasing process related to neurodivergence.